Hello guys, I am from Gaubras Mathsar. I am going to discuss some property related to determinants, that is chapter 4 NCERT 12 mathematics. Here I am going to explain here some properties. Here I shall write properties of determinant. Properties of determinant. Number 1. When a row is interchanged to its respective column. When a row is interchanged to its respective column, here write all rows. Here write all rows are interchanged to their when all rows are interchanged to their respective columns, then the value of determinant does not change. Here I have written property number 1. When all rows are interchanged to their respective columns, the value of determinant does not change. Property number 1, of which I am going to explain with the help of an example. Property number 1 here means that when all rows are interchanged, here I shall take all rows of a determinant. The all rows of determinant will interchange to their respective columns. Then the value of property will not change at all. So here this means that R1 interchange to C1, R2 interchange to C2, R3 interchange to C3. R1 interchange to C1, R2 interchange to C2, R3 interchange to C3. In this case, let determinant equal to 4, 1, 5, 3, 2, 0, 1, 3, 4. This determinant I have taken. I have let this determinant, for which I have get the value with the help of determinant expansion. So here I shall explain this determinant as per column wise. Here I shall take first column for expansion of this determinant. Here it will become, here write plus 1, that is 6. Here you can see first element of first row and first column is 4. So here write plus 4. Now minor of 4 will be, since here 4 is there in first row and first column, since 4 is there in first row and 4 is there in first column, since this element 4 is there in first row and 4 is there in first column, then first row will be hidden and first column will also hidden. You will get the minor of 4 here. The elements will be 2, 0, 3, 4. So here write 2, 0, 3, 4. After that, here minus 1 is fixed. Here minus 1 is fixed, that is constant. Here minus 1 is constant in for all cases for expansion of a determinant. So here minus 1 is fixed. In bracket I shall write second element. Second element here you can see plus 1 is there. So write here plus 1. Now get the minor of plus 1. So since 1 is there in first row, the first row will be hidden, and 1 is there in second column, the second column will be hidden. We will get the element, remaining element will be 3014 we will get. So here write 3014. After that here write plus 1 is fixed here. Next element I shall take here plus 5, so here write plus 5. Now you have to get the minor of plus 5. The minor of plus 5 will be, since 5 is there in first row and third column, the 5 is there in first row, the first row will be hidden, and 5 is there in third column, the third column will be hidden. You will get the minor of 5 as 3213. You will get here 3213 I shall write. Now evaluate the value here. Here you can see plus 1 and plus 4 will multiply together. We will get here only 4. In bracket, the elements of principal diagonal are 2, 4. So 2 and 4 will multiply together. We will get here 2, 4 is 8. Minus, and elements of reverse diagonal will multiply together. We will get here 0. 3 will multiply to 0, we will get here 0. Right here 0. Minus 1 will multiply to plus 1, we will get here minus 1. In bracket, the elements of principal diagonal here are 3 and 4, and 3 and 4 will multiply together, we will get here 12. Minus 1 will multiply to 0, we will get here 0. Right here plus 5. And the elements of principal diagonal are here 3 and 3. 3 and 3 will multiply together, we will get here 9. Minus is fixed here, and the elements of reverse diagonal will multiply together, you will get here 2 into 1, you will get here 2. Now write here equal to, here you can see 4 will multiply to 8, 4 8 is 32 will get, minus 1 will multiply to 12, we will get here 12, plus 5 will, no, plus 5, right here plus 5, 9 minus 2 will get here 4, 9 minus 2 will get here 7, right here 7, equal to 32 minus 12, we will get here 0, and 3 minus 1 you will get here 2, plus 7 5 is 35, right here 35, equal to, both will be added together, you will get here 55. The value of determinant, the value of suppose determinant you have got here 55. Now I am going to apply the property here. For property, I shall apply R1 interchange to C1, R2 interchange to C2, R3 interchange to C3. Now see the result here. Then determinant will become here R1, element of R1 here. R1, the elements of R1 are 4, 1, 5. First row, the elements of first row are 4, 1, 5. The 4, 1, 5 will be taken as here in first column. So here write 4, 1, 5. R1 interchange to C1. So here you can say R1 is there, 4, 1, 5 will interchange to C1. Here 4, 1, 5 has become here 4, 1, 5 as written in column. First row has been converted here in first column. Then second row, here R2 interchange to C2. This means that second row will be converted into second column. So here write second column 3 to 0. Right here 3 to 0. And here you can see third row will be converted into third column. The third row here you can see this is third row 1, 3, 4 will be converted into third column. You will get here 1, 3, 4. Now here you get 4, 3, 1, 1, 2, 3, 5, 0, 4. Now this property I have applied here. R1 interchange to C1, R2 interchange to C2 and R3 interchange to C3. On applying all these properties, you have found new determinant here. Now evaluate determinant here. Here write plus 4, plus 1, right here plus 1. Here the element here plus 4. Now get the minor of plus 4. We will get minor will be 2, 3, 0, 4. Here write minus 1, 60 here. Here you can see the element is plus 3. So here write plus 3. The minor of plus 3 will be 1, 3, 5, 4. So here write 1, 3, 5, 4. 1, 3, 5, 4. Now here plus 1 is 50 here. Here you can see, here write plus 1. The minor of plus 1 will be 1, 2, 5, 0. Here write 1, 2, 5, 0. Now evaluate the value here. You will get determinant equal to plus 1 will multiply to plus 4. We will get here only 4. And 2 will multiply to 4. 4 to 8 you will get. Minus 0 and 3 will multiply together, we will get here only 0. Minus 1 will multiply to 3, we will get here 3, right here 3. And 1 will multiply to 4, we will get here 4. Minus 5 will multiply to 3, you will get here 15. Plus 1 and 1 will multiply to 0, we will get here 0. Minus 5 will multiply to 2, we will get here 10. Now determinant will be 4 8 32, we will get here 32. minus 3 I shall write. Here it will become 15 minus 4, you will get here minus 11. Here you will get minus 10. Here write minus 10. Comes out to be this one, minus 10 it will become. Now 32 minus minus will multiply together, you will get here plus. 3 will multiply to 11, you will get here 33. Plus 33 it will become, and minus 10 it will become. Now you will get here 32 plus 33, you will get here 6, 3, 3, 6, here 3 plus 2, 5 you will get, minus 10 you will get here 55. 3 plus 2, 5 you have got, and 3 plus 3 will get here 6, minus 10, get here 55. So here you can see this one and this one. This determinant I have supposed here, the value of suppose determinant I have got 55. After applying the properties R1 interchange to C1, R2 interchange to C2, and R3 interchange to C3, I have found a new determinant by applying all these properties. The value of new determinant comes out to here 55. In both cases, here you can see 55 is there, here 55 is there. This means that this property is easily verified. When all rows are interchanged to their respective columns, then the value of determinant does not change. When all rows are interchanged to their respective columns, then the value of determinant does not change. This means that R1 interchange to C1, R2 interchange to C2, R3 interchange to C3. Here I have let the determinant, this one, by expanding this determinant as per row wise, I have got the value of the suppose determinant as 55. On applying the properties R1 interchange to C2, R2 interchange to C2, R3 interchange to C3. By applying property R1 interchange to C1, R2 interchange to C2, R3 interchange to C3, I have found here new determinant. By expanding the new determinant as per row wise, I have got the value here 55. In both cases, you can see the value of desired determinant is 55 and the value of original determinant here is 55. In both cases, the value of determinants are the same. This means that this property is 100% bullet